children? You all are fine with your family? Yes. Now children, today we will learn second class social studies. Yes children, today we will learn second class social studies. Now children, everyone take out your social textbook. Yes. Already we learned our 8th lesson is completed children. Wait. Yes. 14th lesson, transport and communication lesson is completed. And children, road safety also completed, isn't it children? Yes. Now children, today we will learn 15th lesson, our earth. Yes children, today we will learn 15th lesson, our earth. Yes, our earth. See children, what is the lesson? Take off. The earth is made up of dash and dash. The earth is made up of dash and dash. What children? The earth is made up of dash and dash? Answer is land and water. There are many dash on earth. What children? Moon or landforms. What is the answer? Yes, landforms on earth. Which means of transport you both used to go to this place? See children, warm up. Which means of transport would you use go to the place? What is the children that warm up? See children, yes, ship and boat. See children, listen. The earth is our home. Yes children, the earth is our home. It is a planet. Earth is planet. It's shaped like an orange and moves around the sun. It shaped like an orange and move around the sun children. It gets warmth and the light from the sun. It gets warm and light from the sun. The earth is made of land and water. The earth is made up of land and water. Landforms. Land is not the same everywhere. Yes children, land is not same the everywhere. There are hills, mountains, valleys, deserts, plains and island on earth. Yes children, land is not same everywhere. Somewhere hills, some mountains, valleys, deserts, plains and island on the earth. This is all called what children? Yes, landforms. This is all called landforms. Hills. See children, hills. Hills are area of land that are higher than the surrounding land. Yes children, hills is area that land higher than the surrounding land. They are usually rocky and hill appear like a cone made on earth. Yes children, they are usually rocky hill appear like a cone on the made on earth children. Hills. Mountains are much higher than hill. Yes children, mountains are much higher than hill children. They often have rock or snow at the top. Yes children, mountain, rock and snow on the top children. Some mountains are fully covered with snow. Some mountain children full covered the snow. They are cold at the top and get warmer as you go down. Yes children, they are cold on the top and get warmer as you go down. Yes children, valleys. Valley. This is an area of low land lying between two hills or mountain, often with a river running through it. Yes children, valley, area of low land lying between two hills, mountain, often with a river running through it. Okay children, a plain. A plain is a flat area of land. Yes children, the plain is area flat of land. Most of the people in the world live on the plans as. Most of the people world live the plan as. The land is flat. Yes children, the land is flat. Easier to build on and to transport good. Yes children, land is flat, easier build to and go to transport is good children. Crops are also grown here. The weather usually hot in such regions. Yes, crops also grown. The weather is usually hot in such regions. Yes children, plateau. Plateau is a large desert. Plateau is a large. What is it teacher? Children, plateau is a large flat area of land. Yes children, flat area of land which is higher than the land around it. Which is higher than the land around it. It's a flat like a tabletop. Yes children, this is a flat like a tabletop. Yes children, landforms, hills, mountain, valleys, plains and plateau. Understood children? Yes. Now children, everyone take out your social class book. I will give some hard words. Write neatly in your social class book. First write the lesson name in your class book children. Lesson name is Our Earth. Write neatly. Ready children? Yes. Sharpen your pencil, eraser. Yes children, ready? Hard words. Write neatly children in your class book. Everyone should write neatly. Okay? Yes. First one is earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Second one is hills. H-I-L-L-S. Hills. Third one is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. And fourth one is landforms. L-A-N-D. Land. F-O-R-M-S. Landforms. Fifth one is valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. Sixth one is plain. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Seventh one is plateau. P-L-A-T-E-A-U. Plateau. Eighth one is desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. Ninth one is island. Yes children, 10th one is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. And 11th one is river. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. And 12th one is rocks. R-O-C-K-S. Rocks. Yes children, these 12 hard words write neatly in your classwork book. Now children, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, H-I-L-L-S, hills, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain, landforms, L-A-N-D, land, F-O-R-M-S, landforms, valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley, plain, P-L-A-I-N, plain. Plateau, P-L-A-T-E-A-U, plateau. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Island, I-S-L-A-N-D, land. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks. Yes, children, these 12 hard words, write neatly in your classwork book now. Yes, children, start writing. Yes, children, finish. Finish writing, children. Yes. Now, children, these hard words, everyone repeat after me, children. Okay? Yes, repeat, children. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Hills, H-I-L-L-S, hills, H-I-L-L-S, hills. Mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Landforms, L-A-N-D, land, F-O-R-M-S, landforms. Yes, children, landforms, there are hill, mountain, valley, deserts, plants and island on earth. These are called what, children? Landforms. Yes, L-A-N-D, land, F-O-R-Ms, landforms. Valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley is an area of lowland lying between two hills, mountain after with a river running through it. Valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. Plain. A plain is a flat of area of land. Most of the people live on the plain as the land is flat. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Plateau, P-L-A-T-E-A-U. A plateau is a large that flat area of land which is higher than the land around it is like a table top. Plateau. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T. Yes, children, D-E-S-E-R-T. Island, I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. River, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks. Everyone repeat, children. Yes, repeat, children. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Hills, H-I-L-L-S, hills. Mountain, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Yes, children, mountains, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, Mountains are much higher than hills. Yes, children. Mountain then higher than hills, children. Mountains. Mountains. Mountain. Landforms. Land. Land. Forms. Forms. Landforms. Valley. 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 Plain. 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 Plateau. 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 Desert. 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 Island. 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 Water. Water. Rivers. Rivers. Rocks. Rocks. Understood, children? Everyone should write neatly. Finish your writing, children. Yes. Now write neatly, children, and learn, children. Repeat, children. Earth. 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 Repeat, children. Earth. 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 Hills. 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 Mountains. 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 Landforms. Land. Land. Forms. Landforms. Valley. 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 Plain. 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 Plateau. 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 Desert. 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 Island. Island. Land. Island. Land. Island. Water. Water. Repeat, children. Water. Rivers. 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 Rocks. Rocks. First one is earth. 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 Second one, hills. 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 First one is earth. Earth. Second one, hills. Third one is mountain. Mountains. 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 Landforms. Land. Forms. Landforms. Land. Forms. Landforms. Valley. 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 Plain. 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 Yes, children, repeat. Plain. Plain. Plateau. Plateau. P-L-A-T-A-U, plateau. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Island, I-L-A-N-D, land, I-S-E-L-A-N-D, land. Island. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks. Earth, hills, mountains, landforms, valley, plateau, desert, island, water, rivers. Last one is rock. Yes, children, finish, children. Now, children, homework. I'll give Sakshi, children. Write in your classwork book one corner side, children. Okay? Write neatly, Sakshi. Sakshi, homework, children. Lesson number 15, our earth. Yes, our earth. Hard words. Write homework two times. In your classwork book. Okay, children, write Sakshi, children. Sakshi, homework. Lesson number 15, our earth. Hard words. Write homework 2 times in your classwork book. Yes, children. These hard words: earth, hills, mountains, landform, valley, plain, plateau, desert, water. Yes, children. These hard words. Write homework 2 times in your classwork book, children. Okay. And your homework is finished, you take the pic and send me school mail ID. My school, my homework @gmail.com. You send your homework, children. I'll check your homework compulsory. Okay, children, will you meet you next class? Bye and take care.